Hello dear students, welcome to EdTarget. In this series of AP Physics lectures, today we will discuss about velocity, average velocity and acceleration. It is one of the most important topics in AP Physics. In last lectures, we already discussed about distance, displacement, speed and average speed. So what is velocity? Velocity is defined as rate of change of displacement. It means how faster your displacement is changing. So its formula will become change in displacement upon time. Always remember, whenever they use the term rate, it means you have to divide with respect to time. So it is the rate of change of displacement. So velocity formula will become change in displacement upon time. Now displacement is denoted by x. Displacement is denoted by x. So rate of change of displacement will become x final minus x initial upon t. X final is final displacement, x initial is initial displacement upon t for time. So this x final minus x initial, it can be written as delta x and time can be written as delta t. So velocity formula will become delta x by delta t. What are the units of velocity? So we know that unit of displacement is meter and unit of time is second. So its unit will become meter per second. Same, meter can be replaced with kilometer and for second we can use r. So next unit, another unit will become kilometer per hour, which in short we will write kph. One important conversion which we already did in speed lecture, that in 1 kph it's 5 upon 18 meter per second. How to get this? We know that 1 kph means 1 kilometer per hour. So in 1 kilometer upon 1 hour, 1 kilometer means 1000 meter and 1 hour means 3600 second. So 20 and 20 will get cancelled. 10 upon 36 will become 5 upon 18. So I hope it's again clear to all of you that how 1 kph is 5 upon 18 meter per second. Another fact, students, that velocity is a vector quantity. Vector quantity means velocity has both magnitude and direction. So velocity is a vector quantity. It means it has both magnitude and direction. Now we'll solve one problem, and before solving problem, I'll suggest all of you that if you need any kind of personal mentorship, personal classes for AP Physics, so you can WhatsApp me on my number. It's +91 891777994342. So for any kind of query, you can WhatsApp me on my number. Now we will do one problem. It says that a person walks from A to B in a circular path as shown in the figure. So from A to B, person walks in a circular path. So this is point A. He choose this path to go to point B. Now they are asking us a ratio of speed and velocity. It's really a good problem. So they are asking us speed upon velocity. Speed is nothing but what they are asking, a ratio of speed and velocity. So we know that speed is nothing but distance upon time, and velocity is nothing but displacement upon time. So time and time will get cancelled and we are left with distance and upon displacement. Now when a person goes from A to B, we know that it's a semicircle. So for total complete circle, distance is 2 pi r, and for half semicircle, distance will be pi r. We know that for this half circle, distance is pi r. How much? It's pi times r. And we know that here displacement will be this distance. So it's nothing but diameter r and r. So displacement will become 2r. R and r will get cancelled and we are left with pi by 2. So I hope it's clear to all of you that how we did this problem. Here answer will come as pi over 2. Now we will solve one more problem. The question is, a person walks from A to B in 1 hour and return back to C in 30 minutes. They're asking us to find average velocity. So what is average velocity? Again, it's total displacement upon total time. So when a person goes from A to B, it's 100 kilometer, and he turn back and moves 40 kilometer backward. So we know that this time his displacement will be this much distance. If total length is 100, this much is 40, so it will be 100 minus 40, which is 60 kilometer. It means his displacement is nothing but 60 kilometer. So displacement part is done. We know that we have to do displacement over time. So displacement is 60. Okay, fine. Now for time, while going, he took 1 hour, and while coming back, he take 30 minutes. So 30 minutes is nothing but half hour. So 1 hour plus half hour. Half hour means 0.5 hour. So it will become 60 over 1.5, so which is nothing but 600 upon 15, which is 40 kph. So average speed of person, average velocity of person will become 40 kph. I will suggest all of you to try this problem yourself, and you should try to find average speed in this problem. Now students, there is one important fact we should remember, that in distance and displacement lecture I already told you that distance is always greater than or equal to displacement, and displacement is a vector quantity, so we apply here mod sign, magnitude. Now students, we know that distance upon time is speed, and displacement upon time is velocity. So it means speed is also greater than or equal to velocity. Or again, velocity is a vector quantity, so we will apply here magnitude sign. We can write this thing like this also, because speed is greater than or equal to velocity, so sorry speed upon mod of velocity is greater than or equal to 1, because if you divide this thing this side, so it will become speed upon mod of velocity is greater than or equal to 1. So this was about velocity and average velocity. Now next term is acceleration. What is acceleration? Acceleration is defined as rate of change of velocity. What is acceleration? It is defined as rate of change of velocity. Rate of change of displacement was velocity. Again, rate of change of velocity is acceleration. So we have to remember this thing, that when you have velocity, you divide by time, you get acceleration, and when you have displacement, you divide by time, you get velocity. So this thing we have to keep in our mind. So what is acceleration? Acceleration is defined as rate of change of velocity. Rate of change of velocity. So its formula will become same, change in velocity over time. What will be the formula? Change in velocity over time. So acceleration formula, we know that change we can write with the term delta V. It means V final velocity minus initial velocity upon time. Again students, for any kind of personal mentorship, you can WhatsApp me on my number. So unit, what will be unit of acceleration? We know that unit of V. What is unit of velocity? Unit of velocity is meter per second. Acceleration is change in velocity upon time, and we know that unit of velocity is how much? Meter per second, and extra t is there, so second into second will become meter per second square, which is ms to the power minus 2. So unit of acceleration will become meter per second square. I hope it's clear to you. Unit of v is meter per second, and we have extra v, extra t, so second into second will become second square. Again students, we know that velocity is a vector quantity, so acceleration will also be a vector quantity. What do you mean by vector quantity? It means it has both magnitude and direction. One more thing which is very important, sometimes students think that because acceleration is change in velocity upon time, so students think that direction of acceleration is in the direction of velocity. Actually this is a wrong concept. Acceleration is not velocity upon time. Acceleration is change in velocity upon time. You can see acceleration is change in velocity upon time. It means direction of acceleration is in the direction of change in velocity. This term is important. Direction of acceleration is in the direction of change in velocity. I hope it's clear to all of you that direction of acceleration is in the direction of change in velocity. Now we will solve a problem that a girl is, this question is really very important and very conceptual problem for initial study. A girl is going towards north, so whenever you see these directions you can draw like this. This is, sorry, so this is north direction, this is south, this is west, and this is east. A girl is going towards north with 5 meter per second, so initial velocity of girl is here 5. She turns towards left, so if she will turn towards left, so this will be final velocity v final. This will be here, because if she will turn left, so obviously north going person will turn left, so she will go to east. No confusion. So she turns towards left with same speed, means here her speed was 5, here her speed is same 5. So v initial is also 5, v final is also 5. They're asking us find direction of acceleration. So acceleration, this is important question, is nothing but v final minus v initial upon t. I hope it everyone remember this thing. V final is here, it's minus v initial. So if v initial is upward, minus v initial will be downward. I hope this thing everyone got it. V initial is upward, so minus v initial will be downward. It will come minus 5. So here it's v final minus v initial. If this is v final, this is minus v initial, it means acceleration will be somewhere over here like this. Acceleration will be somewhere over here like this, na? Got it? This will be our acceleration. So make sure that you properly understand this concept, that acceleration is v final minus v initial upon t. V initial was towards north, so minus v initial will be towards south. Now v final is towards east, minus v initial is towards south, so acceleration will be in which direction? So acceleration direction come as southeast, SE. This is beautiful question. I hope everyone got it. Now this lecture we will end here. I'll suggest all of you to revise this concept. Whatever booklet you have, try to practice from that. If you need any PDF extra material questions, so what you have to do, you simply message me on my number. You can WhatsApp me over my number, so I can provide you the content for AP Physics. This whatever we are doing, this is for AP Physics 1, means, or you can refer it for AP Physics Physics Honors. And if your basics is weak, so you can use it in AP Mechanics C also. So again students, if you need any kind of material to study, any kind of guidance, you can message me on my number. Thank you so much.